Good morning, friends. MG8591 Principles of Management, 4th year, 7th semester. A case study on medical drugs stocks for inventory and updating in government medical college and hospital through mobile application development. My company name Ascent Technosoft Coimbatore and my thrust area Big Data Analytics, my industrial vertical Smart City. The next, my empathy part, difficult in maintain manual record and tracking of stocks of drugs in government medical college and hospital. Even though even though the number of years goes on, so in nowadays the drugs are maintained only manual oriented, so that uh, we could identify this problem. So this is my empathy part. So second point is my empathy part. Second one, lot of human resources and paper waste are available in government medical college and hospital, and more time to record to manual preparation of stocks and stocks uh, incoming and outgoing going of product in government medical college hospital of uh, medical department stores. So that this is my empathy part for my case study. Okay, next one, my problem, difficult maintain manual record and tracking on stacks of drugs in government medical college and hospital, and due to human resources and paper waste. For example, each each medicines can come to uh, come to in medical shop, that means government medical college and hospital. I have to prepare this manual oriented. So for example, health structure, head of the structure and date and oral drugs and signature. So I am a pharmacist. Whatever medicines or medical equipments are coming inside to my medical shop, that means government GH, I recover, I bring it to my head of the institution, and first of all I and write a name and presentation. That means this side is a medical term of medicine name. Is a presentation. That means a MG. Whether it is tablet is a MG. Whether the solution is a quantity. Solution and kilogram, a gram, or whatever may be is present here. Write a manual oriented. After, what is the price, each quantity, and stock, how many stocks are received, how many stocks are going out. So, and monthly consumes and quantity order and delivery of product. So whatever I consume from drug control of department. So whatever received from incoming, that means incoming my shop, first I could verify process of first stock, what are the quantity, what is the name, what is the value, what is the quantity, what is the price, what is the monthly consume, what is the quantity and quality and delivery to the my customer, which patient I would deliver the medicine. So I each and every values I would maintain in manual session. This is a problem, ethical problem of my department. So that I would so that I would develop easiest one. Easy one software is available easily day to day. I have updated in my in my detail in mobile application, and through easily monitor and control and send through my drug and control departments. This is the easiest one. Next one, this is my solution. So to develop mobile application for maintain manual record and tracking on drugs of stock of drugs in government medical college and hospital, and pick up, I'm going to drug department and pick up and delivery means myself, my department in government GH, and update the detail through app. I have app and update that first updated in system, and system added to my mobile. So mobile and updated my primary health center and GH and as well as customer. So I have smart card. Okay, I have smart card given to the head of the pharmacist, if primary health center or GH or my customer. Okay, whatever I have smart card, I have collect the smart card, and those who are coming to the drug department and collect the product and sweep the card immediately. Whatever requirement are already collected and sweep insert the card, and entry through all entries are sent through the smart card is easiest one. After the smart card, remove it, after save it and remove the card, and come back to primary health center or GH, and the smart card can enter the system, automatically transfer the details are in mobile as well as my system, easiest one. So that I would in apply the smart card, apply in smart cards. So easiest one, the head of the institution, head of the pharmacist, each and every pharmacist have smart card. Those who are going to purchase the medicines in drugs control of department, show the smart card, collect the product, entry through the smart card. The smart card come back to my department, easily enter in my mobile or enter into my system. Okay, if is else one, you can complete the overall transactions after whatever record, and going out immediately updated side by side my mobile as well as system. So a smart card given to the head of the pharmacist, and stock of the drugs for pickup and delivery updated through mobile application. For example, this is a smart card, is a smart is a one example smart card, the pharmacist card, and this is a pin number, pin, it means pin. This is a photo identify those who are coming to my department. That means drug department. So for photo ID card, this is a photo ID card, and name and person name, uh, and valued from this card. So those who are coming and complete the process, and the card can enter into the my system, automatically transfer the items. That means stock item transfer to my smart card. The smart card, this smart card can enter the mobile or else my system, easily transfer the stocks in inventory systems, inventory of the system. So easily monitor and control of stocks of the drugs. This is my solution. Next is a methodology. So database collection for primary health center and government medical college and hospital and customers details, and to create the admin user ID for 3 members. One is from a health center head, another one government GH pharmacist head, another customers. 3 members here, individual smart cards are available. Next one, they collect the user ID for each family and health center and government medical college in connect with the drugs and control department, and each pharmacist member and day-to-day detail of the stocks of the drugs and updated and pick up delivery from the control of the department, drug control of the department, and details sent through monthly basis in mobile application. And each drugs control department member must verify the stocks through mobile applications. For example, this is a graphical representation. So each department, that means each um, for this is a database collection primary health center, uh, data collection for primary health center, government medical college and hospital and customers, and login creation for primary health centers, government medical college hospital, pharmacist and customers. So user ID for each family means, suppose I am one of the member head of the institution, I can show the pharmacist whatever required in the medicine, and insert the card and type it, and after entry into my smart card and received. After completion process, uh, 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 remove the card from system easily. Whatever record, whatever process, whatever medicines are delivery to customer, and in what are the stocks, remaining stocks are available in my system as well as my mobile. So easily identify, monitor, and of drugs of in my department. So this is a health centers, government medical college and hospitals connect with the control of the department of system. And each pharmacist member day-to-day detail of stocks of the drugs updated for each pharmacist can go to drugs department, and what are the required medicines for 1 month. So send the requisition letter, and requisition letter as well as list and prepared in each pharmacist for primary health center or government medical college hospital pharmacist, and sent to the office. The office verified, and the stocks are available and completed. uh, the drugs department members ask the ask the pan card, sorry, ask the smart card and give it to the member, and member can insert the system, and drugs are in drugs are drugs are updated inventory through mobile application as well as system in smart card smart cards smart cards. After remove the smart card, after come back to my primary health center or GH, and the pharmacist can enter the mobile or enter the system, and inventory stocks are transferred to one system to other system. After uh, af- after completion process, the medicines are distributed from customers as well as customers, and verify through the stocks in systems. So whatever medicines are distributed by customer, whatever medicines are available in stock, easily monitor from through mobile application in smart cards. So each pharmacist member day to day details stocks updated stocks, update of the stocks of the drugs, updated pickup and delivery from the drugs control department, and detail sent through monthly basis. And each drug control department must verify the stocks through the mobile application. Suppose I am a pharmacist in GH, so I am monthly. Uh, I am verify the stocks in monthly through easily in smart card, can insert my system. What are the medicines are available? What are the medicines are non-available? What are the medicines are required? And so note it down. And what are the quantities? Number of quantities are available. Number of quantities are completed. Number of quantities are um, more wanted. These details are comprised after preparation, after come go to drug department. This is the easiest one of my mobile application oriented. Suppose in before and updated in through mobile, the drug department members can verify and identify my product easily, prepare and completed product in the myself. The I'm going and sweep the smart card and take the product and come back to the my pharmacist department in GH. This is a methodology, pictorial representation of my methodology. Next, this is my benefit: reduce the time, easy monitoring stocks of the drugs, updated pickup and delivery the details sent through the mobile application, and reduce the human resource facility and reduce the paper waste. So huge number of paper waste in before. Now the mobile application can develop is reduce the paper waste and compromise comprise one smart card is enough for already I already told that this is a this for a pharmaceutical card same as and customer. So customer can insert the card and what are required and type details are sent through smart card and complete the process, remove the card and take the give the medicine to the customer whenever required can insert the card. This is happen for customer side. At the same time pharmacy side, no need your paper, no need no need paper for that one. So that this is a reduce the paper statement, reduce the paper waste in my statements. So this is my benefits of this case study. Next one, this is my references and thank you.